All right, guys, today we'll be looking at some ad from Facebook. So let's quickly check out some ads on Facebook. So one of the things we are going to do, we're going to scroll through Facebook. Okay, this is an ad.
These are the money I make like almost every day. They might seem
Okay.
like little money to you, but if you put them together, you will realize how much I'm making in a week. And this is not the only payment method that I use. So I do a lot of things online that make me money.
All right, so this ad is very good. I love the fact that he started with proof that he's actually making money, showing people the different things, the different amount he has made, and showing up his dashboard. So let's look at the copy. The copy is not too long. It's not too long. I cash out weekly on this website, and I want to show you. Okay. So the copy is not too long, which is not bad, and the okay, these jobs will change your account balance. Learn more. Okay, this is good, and you can see that it's showing up testimonials and people who have reached out. So whenever you are setting up your ad, one thing that I think you should take from this particular ad we are reviewing right now is the fact that your testimonial is very strong. Let's look at people's reaction so far. You can see that the person is, I don't know this person anyway. The person is okay. You are seeing people sharing testimonials and sharing proofs, okay, which is good, which is not bad. So I think it's good so far. But one of the things you must also make sure you are doing is that your reviews, the reviews you get from your from the sales of a product, is one of the important things you must consider whenever you are selling online. Is that okay? So let's take this out from this particular video, and I'll see you in subsequent videos. Thank you.